The cost of contesting a will can vary widely depending on various factors, including the complexity of the case, the jurisdiction, the involvement of attorneys and experts, and the duration of the legal proceedings. Here are some of the potential costs associated with contesting a will. 1. Attorney fees. The largest portion of the cost often comes from attorney fees. Attorneys typically charge by the hour, and the complexity of the case and the amount of time required to prepare and litigate the case can significantly impact the total fees. Some attorneys may also work on a contingency fee basis, where they only receive payment if the case is successful, usually taking a percentage of the recovered assets. 2. Court fees. There are typically filing fees associated with initiating legal proceedings to contest a will. These fees vary by jurisdiction and may depend on the specific type of court involved. 3. Expert witness fees. In some cases, expert witnesses may be necessary to provide testimony or opinions on matters such as testamentary capacity, undue influence, or the interpretation of legal documents. The fees for expert witnesses can vary depending on their qualifications and the extent of their involvement in the case. 4. Investigation costs. Contesting a will may require conducting investigations, such as gathering evidence, obtaining medical records, or hiring investigators to uncover potential fraud or undue influence. These costs can also contribute to the overall expense of the case. 5. Mediation or arbitration fees. In some cases, parties may opt for alternative dispute resolution methods such as mediation or arbitration to resolve the dispute outside of court. There may be fees associated with these processes, including the cost of hiring a mediator or arbitrator. 6. Appeal costs. If the case is appealed to a higher court, there may be additional costs associated with appellate proceedings, including attorney fees, filing fees, and costs related to preparing and presenting the appeal. It's essential to consider the potential costs of contesting a will carefully and weigh them against the potential benefits. Contesting a will can be a lengthy and expensive process, and there is no guarantee of success. Before proceeding, it's advisable to consult with a qualified attorney who can provide an estimate of the potential costs based on the specific circumstances of your case.